adding YouTube TV to another TV is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If your smart TV supports the YouTube TV application, you can download and install the app directly from the App Store on your TV. Open the App Store on your smart TV and search for YouTube TV. Once you find the YouTube TV application, select it, and then choose to download and install it. After installation, launch the YouTube TV application and sign in with your YouTube TV account credentials. You should now be able to access YouTube TV on your smart TV and stream live TV channels and on-demand content. If your TV is not a smart TV or does not have built-in support for YouTube TV, you can use a streaming device such as Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Chromecast, or Apple TV. Connect the streaming device to your TV via HDMI. Set up the streaming device according to its instructions. Once set up, navigate to the App Store or Channel Store on the streaming device and search for YouTube TV. Download and install the YouTube TV application. Launch the YouTube TV app and sign in with your account credentials. You should now be able to access YouTube TV on your TV through the streaming device.